Hi, this video is all about the perforated GT mesh and what you need to know about it. This is one of our go-to favorites for many projects. This mesh has a great style as well as a nice blend of solid and open area percents. The shape of the opening is unlike anything else we stock, and it's available up to a huge 24 by 48 sheet. Cutting the Perf GT mesh is no problem. It's a medium duty mesh, which means it can be cut by hand. A good pair of tin snips should make short work of almost any cut needed. If the mesh is going to be resting on a finished or painted surface for the installation, our 1/16 inch neoprene rubber edge trim is a great fit for this mesh. Next up are some installed pictures from some of our customers using this mesh on a variety of makes and models. The silver mesh is highly visible, whereas the black is much more subtle. If you have any questions about this mesh or any of our others, then feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.